Hello friends, my name is Naim, and in this video I'm going to make this beautiful title slide with the gradient effect, and I'm going to use a picture in the background in a specific way where I use a rectangle shape and I'll fill the picture. So let's see how I have done it. And before we move further, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing it, and let's start today's tutorial. The first step that I'm going to do in home, and let's go to shapes and select this rounded rectangle corner shape, and let's draw it here. Use this orange bubble and make it more rounded, and push it toward the left side. So I'll remove the outline from here, no outline, and I'll copy paste. You can do it with Control D. I'll just try to reduce the size. Okay, so I'll do the copy pasting here, one small and then the big one. I'll just Control G and I'll make a little bit more space for one more. Control Shift Control and G for ungroup, and I'll paste one more. Okay, so I'll group it, and I have increased the size, so I'll just try to put it in the middle. Now we have this shape and I have grouped it. Now it's a time that I will fill background image here. So right click outside the slide area, right click and format background. So let me select this image again, and I go to picture or texture fill. Okay, so the reason why I have it immediately here because I just used it before. So let me show you how you can fill it here. Go to insert, after pressing on picture, insert, and go to this option from a file, and let's select this image, and here you go, you have image here. So the next step that I'm going to select this rectangle here, and I will draw it as full slide, and I'm going to fill a gradient color here. Okay, so again I have this color ready here which I wanted to use because I tried it before. How you can do it, you can simply make colors or select colors here. Okay, so and one important thing, so let me make it do it again. For example, let me do it from the beginning. So imagine you come here and you find similar kind or different kind of fill here. How you can make it customized? So let me select this one, and I have this one, and further I have these tops where I can add colors. Okay, so I will select this, and let's say I select this darker color here, and I'll remove this top and I'll keep the middle one, and then let's say I selected this one, and the last top that maybe this one. So what I will do, I have selected this one, I'll make it slightly transparent so I can see the image behind it. So it's, you can adjust it according to your need. Okay, and also do this slightly transparent. Okay, so this looks okay, and I think I'm getting the outline here, and there is no outline now. So close this, and the final step that I'm going to add text here. So basically I have text in my other slide, and I'll just copy paste the text. Okay, so this is ready. Last thing that I want to tell you how you can make this. It's very simple. This is one of the shape here, and simply you can rotate it, and here your shape is ready, and keep it close to each other. This is how you can make it. So guys, if you like this tutorial, please let me know, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing it, and we'll see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.